Okay, I'm back. The spare pie will not be going in to work with me tomorrow. I don't know if they'll be edible. They don't look edible to me. I am not happy, but I just wanted to show that even us people that are good at baking still have flops. So it doesn't matter what you do or how good you get at it, we still have flops. So if you're struggling with your crafting or your creating in any matter, form, or whatever, don't give up. Just try again. My next effort, I will have dark Karo syrup, and hopefully it'll turn out next time. Hopefully they'll be edible, but I'm kind of doubting it right now. But just thought I'd be honest, and oopsies happen, just press on.